Toothpaste, toothbrush in your mouth now. What?
Matter. You gotta be mad at me like you mean it.
Eloise, you brush those teeth. Don't make me come in here and have to say it twice.
Nice.
This is Eloise. She's my granddaughter. What are you doing?
I'm gonna make pancakes. Set the table, please.
My wife and I raised her after my daughter died. Then life threw us a curve, and now her grandmother's gone too. The love of my life.
Do you really plan on raising this girl all by yourself?
This is every day?
Yep.
Do you need to call her mother grandmother?
Grandma Wee Wee?
Yeah.
The last person I need around me right now is Grandma Wee Wee.
Miss Love, that's right. You got a plan for Eloise in light of all this?
You tied it like a tennis shoe.
She's got a whole lot of family down with me.
Well, you can always come for a swim. Oh, Lord.
Hey, guys! Hey, baby.
I'm thinking we need to start talking about a shared custody.
Not gonna happen.
She has a father.
You live in a blind spot when it comes to your son. He's a junkie.
And you're a drunk!
Okay, thank you.
Run on home, fill your bathtub with whiskey, and just soak in it. Have yourself an old drunk man's bubble bath.
Got it.
Good. This is a little girl's life we're talking about.
You know what, Rowena? You petitioned for custody.
Louise needs more love than just what her grandfather can give her.
What she needs is stability, especially now since she's lost her grandmother.
One of her grandmothers.
That's you, me, and Daddy.
You just want her away from us, the black people.
I've lost everything. I can't lose her, too.
We need to let her know right now that she's worth fighting for.
Do you dislike black people?
Not all of them. This isn't about black and white.
I love you, Mama.
This is about Eloise.
Oh, this skinny one right here. Is it supposed to be me?
No.
It's not my favorite.